take out the trash. It's empty. You know what I mean?
Bruh.
Good one, Mom. Stop eating candy. I can quit anytime I want. See, I'll quit again. That's not how it works. And I'll save these for some quitting later. All right, I'm back. Clean that up. Hey, Mom, where's the Skittles? Damn it, I told you to wipe your shoes. That was clearly just time for... I got you. How dare you? Up here. What do we do? I'm sorry. For what? Sacrifice. Use this. Yippee-ki-yay.
Bruh.
Podium, hello.
You have chosen death.
You saved me, Dad. No, honey, wait. Oh.
That's crazy.